Welcome back to Tech Solutions. In this video, we're going through the complete, correct method for installing the Opera browser on Linux Mint without running into GPG errors or the dreaded NO PUBKEY message. A lot of tutorials online still use commands that Mint no longer accepts, so people keep hitting signature problems. We're doing it the right way, step by step, with a clean and modern setup. We begin with the very first command, which prepares the system for handling Opera's security key. Think of this as opening the door so the system knows it's allowed to store a trusted key. It doesn't change anything major on your machine, it just sets the stage for the secure installation process that follows. Right after that, we move to the command that downloads Opera's official signing key. This command grabs the key directly from Opera's website, but we don't use it as is. We immediately pipe it into a tool that converts it into a format Mint actually understands and trusts. This conversion is crucial. Without it, Mint would reject Opera's repository, and you'd end up with the same signature verification errors that many users complain about. Then we run a simple permission adjustment command. Next comes the command that actually adds Opera's software source to your system. With the source added, we're finally ready to refresh the system's package list. The update command goes out, checks all your enabled software sources, including the new Opera source, and verifies them with the key we just added. If everything matches, and it will now, the update completes without warnings or GPG errors. Once the update finishes, the final step is simply installing Opera. At this point, the system already trusts everything it needs to trust, so the installation runs smoothly. Opera's package downloads, installs, and gets registered by your desktop without any issues. When you launch it, you're running a clean and verified installation that won't cause problems in future updates. And that's the full process. Every command has a purpose: preparing the system, bringing in the key, securing it, linking Opera's source, refreshing the system's awareness, and finally installing the browser. By doing it in this modern, secure order, you avoid every error people typically run into, and you end up with a properly supported Opera installation on Linux Mint.